today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of creating a LinkedIn account. Go to your browser and search linkedin.com. Click the first link, sign up LinkedIn. Write your email and set a strong password. Set your first and last name. Set your country, postal code, and locations. Select the option I am a student. Set your education detail. Go to your Gmail and copy your verification code. Put your code. Set your job title with job locations. Congratulations! You've successfully created your LinkedIn account and set up your profile. Now, it's time to start exploring and leveraging the platform's features to grow your professional network. Remember, LinkedIn is not just a place to showcase your experience and skills. It's also an opportunity to engage with industry professionals, join relevant groups and communities, and stay updated on the latest industry trends. That wraps up our tutorial on how to create a LinkedIn account. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more career-related content. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll do our Here, we strive to provide you with engaging and informative content on a wide range of topics. By subscribing to our channel, you'll gain access to a growing library of videos that are designed to entertain, educate, and inspire. So, if you're ready to join a community that is passionate about learning, growing, and having fun, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you never miss an update from us. Thank you for considering subscribing to our channel. We're excited to have you on board, and we look forward to embarking on this journey of knowledge, discovery, and connection together.